Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting inside Google Photos, so sign into the exact Google account that should hold your backups. Once done, choose web or the mobile app depending on your device. The interface differs slightly, but the goal is the same. Make sure you're on a reliable network so the app can list cloud content without partial loading. Now open the main library or Photos view. This is where Google surfaces backed up items first, so stay here for the next steps. You need to find where Google stored the images. Go to Library then Utilities, or Settings then Backup and Sync to confirm which folders were backed up. Once you know the source, inspect device folders for items that synced and albums for cloud-only content. Use the search bar with people, places, dates, or file types like PNG or HEIC to surface hidden backups quickly. If you see Backup Complete or cloud icons, that tells you the photos are safely in Google's cloud. To retrieve images, select them and choose Download on Web or Add to Library on mobile to keep a local copy. Once restored, enable Backup and Sync so new photos back up automatically and avoid repetition. If items are missing, switch accounts first, then check Trash and the Google Drive sync status because deleted or drive-linked folders can hide images. As a last step, sign out and back in or force a sync. That refreshes the index.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.